Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 768,000 reads and 53,000 likes. I've produced over 650 videos with more than 300,000 watch hours as of December 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics. Today, we're diving into something that might seem basic but is super important: mastering SGX stock codes in just 5 minutes. Trust me, this will help you trade smarter and spot opportunities faster in Singapore's market. With our market hitting new highs in 2024 and the STI climbing 16.9%, now is the perfect time to sharpen your trading skills. Think about this. Every time you open your trading app, you see these combinations of letters and numbers. They're not random. They're like DNA codes for stocks, telling you exactly what you're looking at. With over 700 companies listed on SGX worth more than SGD 900 billion combined, knowing how to read these codes is like having a superpower in the market. Let's break down how these stock codes work. Every company listed on SGX gets its own unique code, a mix of letters and numbers that tells you exactly what you're dealing with. It's like each company has its own special signature. For example, when you see DO5, you know right away that's DBS Group Holdings, our largest local bank. And guess what? DBS has been crushing it lately, with its stock up 52% in 2024. Here's where it gets interesting. The codes aren't just random. They follow patterns that can tell you a lot about the stock. When you see a code ending with C, that's telling you it's a Chinese share. C and R at the end, that's a rights issue. These little letters at the end are like secret messages telling you exactly what type of security you're looking at. Now here's something cool that most new investors miss. When you spot SI at the start of a code, that's your cue. You're looking at a Singapore index stock. These are our blue chip companies, the big players in our market. Take our 3 local banks, DBS, UOB, and OCBC. Together, they make up more than half of the STI's weight, and they've all seen amazing growth in 2024-3. Let me show you how this works in real life. Remember when DBS had some big moves in 2022? Their main stock traded as D05, but when they issued preference shares, these got labeled as D05P. When they had rights issues, those became DO5R. This made it super easy for investors to know exactly what they were trading, even during busy market hours. But wait, here's what's happening in our market right now. The Singapore market is going through some interesting changes. In 2024, we only had 4 new listings, all on the Catalyst board, raising about $55 million in total. That might sound low, but here's the exciting part. 2025 is looking much brighter. We're expecting more healthcare and real estate companies to list, especially with interest rates starting to stabilize. Speaking of real estate, here's something interesting for property investors. S-REITs are expected to perform better in 2025 as interest rates fall from their peaks. This means better borrowing costs for these companies and potentially better returns for investors. Here's a pro tip that could save you from making costly mistakes. Always pay attention to corporate actions. Companies sometimes change their codes during major events. With our market hitting 3,799 points recently and showing strong momentum, you need to stay sharp. Keep an eye on SGX announcements and set up alerts for any stocks you're watching. Looking ahead to 2025, we're seeing some big changes in Singapore's financial landscape. The CPF system is getting an update with the special account closing for members aged 55 and above. This might affect how some investors plan their portfolios, especially if they're thinking about retirement planning alongside their stock investments. Let me wrap this up with 3 quick takeaways. First, stock codes are your quick reference guide to the market. Learn them well. Second, always verify codes on SGX's official platform before making trades. Third, stay updated on any changes to codes for stocks in your portfolio. Before you go, here's what to do next. Pull up your trading platform and practice identifying different types of securities just by their codes. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it becomes second nature quickly. And if you want to dive deeper into SGX trading, check out my video on DBS's 3B buyback, smart or foolish. I'll link it in the description. Remember to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical investing tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about stock codes or trading on SGX. See you in the next video.